Chef here with some more tips on chicken and buying chicken, shopping, saving money, some things to look for, and even the price I paid here. So when you're buying chicken, you go by sight, touch, smell. All these things are very important. I like to buy it when it's ice cold, not frozen, but this is actually fresh. It may have been flash frozen, it's hard to tell, but I like made in USA, 100% grown in USA. No artificial flavors, no preservatives, pure chicken, 19 grams of protein per serving. I also like that I paid $2.99 a pound, 1.9 pounds. I did weigh it. This weighs exactly 1.9 pounds. So no added hormones or steroids. Good stuff, made in USA. Let's take a look at what's actually in the package, what we're going to get to eat here. Okay, so looks pretty good. It's pretty cleaned. I'm going to trim these up a little bit more, but it looks nice. Always remove the excess fat, any blood on there. Of course, the price per pound is reflective on the packaging as well. So this was $2.99 a pound. When you factor in the weight of the package, it's actually about $3.25 a pound. Still a good deal. Really, really nice chicken. So that's what you're looking for. Subscribe right here. Search chicken on this channel. You'll find all kinds of recipes, tips, marinades. This one's going to be a lemon, oregano, garlic, balsamic marinade. It's going to be really good. So subscribe right here. Oh yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well, and yeah, the butcher block. Yeah, I use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.